Good morning, good morning. This is Jose from PWFS TV. So, naririto po tayo ngayon sa website ng TESDA. Titingnan natin ano yung mga kurso na may mga training regulations. Okay? So, more or less, itong mga training regulation na to, may mga kurso din na in-apply ang mga TBIs. Okay? So, isa-isahin po muna natin kung ano yung mga kurso na may mga training regulations na more or less ay ang tawag dito, that the TBIs are offering. Okay? So, bago tayo magpatuloy, huwag niyong kalimutang mag-subscribe sa ating YouTube channel, PWFS TV. PWFS TV ang YouTube channel ng Philippine Welders and Fitters Society Incorporated, founded since 2014. So, si Jun Jose po ito ang current chairman ng PWFS. Okay? So, puntahan natin yung TESDA website. So, nandito tayo sa TESDA website, So, titingnan natin yung mga training regulations na meron sila. So, ano itong mga kursong ito? Okay? So, meron silang 2D animation NC3. Okay? So, yung NC2 nila superseded na. Tapos, meron silang 2D game art NC3. Okay? Meron din silang 3D animation NC3. 3D animation NC3 superseded dyan. Okay? 3D game art development NC3. Okay, so bago, and 5-axis CNC machine operator NC3. Okay, so yung mga naghahanap ng kurso sa TESDA na kung ano ba yung mga kurso ng TESDA na ino-offer sa buong bansa, ay ito po yung mga yon. Okay, so sa mga high school graduate at sa mga mag-graduate ng high school, okay, o sa mga college graduate na walang trabaho, pwede kayong, ito yung alternative nyo, okay? Mga TESDA courses. Kasi sa ngayon, skills na ang pinag-uusapan, okay? Minsan, kahit college graduate ka, hindi ka makapasok ng trabaho. Bakit? Requirements na ngayon ang NC2, NC3, NC4, pero normally NC2 sa mga skilled work, okay? So, a basic skilled work requires NC2 para makapasok ka. Okay? Alright, tuloy tayo. So, nasa na tayo? Okay, so yon 5-axis machine operation. Okay, able seafarer deck NC2. Okay, able seafarer engine NC2. Okay, tapos agricultural crops NC1, agricultural crops production NC2, agricultural crops production NC3, agricultural machinery operation NC2, agricultural machinery servicing, okay, agro entrepreneurship NC2, okay, agro entrepreneurship NC3 at saka NC4. So, meron din sa agri, So, meron sa construction, meron sa computer, meron sa agri. Okay? So, right. Meron ding air duct servicing NC2, animal healthcare and management NC3, animal production for poultry and chicken NC2, animal production for ruminants NC2 sa mga baka, sa mga kalabaw. Okay, animal production swine sa baboy, animation NC2, aquaculture. Okay, so meron din tayo sa fisheries. Okay, aquaculture NC2, hatchery operation, aquaculture, tilapia culture, NC2, aquaculture, superseded na to. So, meron din tayong AI o artificial insemination sa sa mga large ruminants, okay? Sa mga baka, sa mga kalabaw, okay? Meron din tayong artificial insemination o AI sa swine, attraction and theme parks, okay? Audio production services, auto paint, body painting, services, okay? Auto body painting finishing, okay? Auto body painting finishing NC2 and C3, okay? Meron din tayong sa TESDA, okay? Auto engine rebuilding NC2, automotive body repairing NC2, okay? Automotive electrical assembly NC2 and C3, okay? Tapos automotive mechanical assembly NC3 NC2, okay? Automotive servicing NC1, NC2, NC3, tsaka NC4, okay? Automotive wiring harness assembly NC2, bamboo processing, okay? So may engineered bamboo rin, okay? So bamboo production NC2. Meron ding barangay health services NC2, okay? Meron ding barbero, okay? Barbering NC2, barista NC2, bartending NC2, beauty care, okay? So meron ding NC2 yan. So yung mga nagbi-beauty care natin dyan, okay? So merong NC2, NC3, okay? Tapos merong biogas plant installation NC3, biomedical equipment services NC2, bookkeeping sa mga bookkeeper natin may NC3, bread and pastry, okay, production, okay, broadband installation NC2, cable TV installation NC2, okay, CAD/CAM operation, caregiving, okay, caregiving for elderly, caregiving for grade schooler, caregiving for newborn, okay, carpentry NC2, NC3, okay, tapos CATV operation and maintenance NC3, chemical process operation NC3, CNC electrical discharge machine, CNC lathe machine operation NC2, NC3, tapos meron tayong commercial cooking NC3, NC4, yan. Computer servicing NC2, construction lift passenger material elevator operation NC2, construction painting NC2, NC3, consumer electronic NC3, tsaka NC4. Meron ding contact center NC2, okay? Meron din tayong cookery NC2, customer service NC2, dental hygiene level 4, dental laboratory technology NC2, okay? Okay, so meron NC1, NC2, meron ding NC4 ng dental technology, okay? Die designing NC4, diesel power plant maintenance NC3, merong NC2, okay? Domestic work NC2, dressmaking NC2, driving NC3, okay? For articulated vehicle, driving NC3 for passenger bus and straight truck. Alright, so driving NC2, drying and milling plant servicing NC3, so electric discharge machine, sinking operation NC2, electric power distribution, line construction NC2, electrical installation and maintenance NC4, NC3, tsaka NC2. Actually, ito sikat to, EIM. Okay, so maraming nag-enroll dito. electrical power distribution, operation, and maintenance, NC3 and C4. Tsaka electrical production assembly, NC2. Electronic back-end operation, NC2. Electronic front of line operation, NC2. Electronic semiconductor production and machine servicing. Okay, emergency medical services, events management, NC3, fashion design, NC3, bago yan, okay? Fish capture, NC1, NC2, fish product packaging, NC2, fish gear repair and maintenance, NC3, okay? Fish port wharf operation, NC1, flux cord arc welding, NC1, NC2, NC3. Okay, so meron din palang NC3 ang FCOW or flux cord arc welding. Okay, food and beverage, NC2, NC3, NC4. Okay, ayan, so food processing, NC1, NC2, NC3, NC4. Food production, NC3, NC4. Yan, footwear making, NC2, forging, NC2, NC3, foundry and casting, NC2, NC3, okay, foundry molding, NC2, NC3, okay, foundry pattern making, NC2, NC3, okay, front office services, hotel, okay, NC2, NC3, NC4, okay, furniture making, NC2, game programming, NC3, garbage collection, NC1, gas metal arc welding or GMAW, sikat din to, NC1, NC2, NC3, yan. Gas tungsten arc welding, okay, o GTAW o TIG, okay, NC2, NC4, okay, so wala palang NC3 ang GTAW kundi meron NC4 lang, okay. Gas welding, sikat din yan, GTAW, okay. So maganda yan sa mga lalaking high school graduate at sa mga college graduate na walang trabaho. Ayan, maganda. Gas tungsten arc welding, gas metal arc welding, flux cord arc welding, shielded metal arc welding, yan. Maganda yan. Gas welding NC1, NC2, grains production sa mga farmer, okay, NC2, hairdressing, okay, sa mga nanay, okay, handloom weaving, okay, hard disk drive front offline operation, NC2, healthcare services, NC2, heat treatment sa mechanical, okay, sa welding, heavy equipment operation, mechanical, NC2, HEO for crawler crane, NC3, for forklift, NC2, for hydraulic excavator, NC2, for articulated off-highway dump truck, NC2, okay, for backhoe loader, NC2, bulldozer, NC2, concrete pump, NC2, container stacker, NC2, crawler crane, NC2, forklift, NC2, so proceeded to, gantry crane, hydraulic excavator, so proceeded din to, motor grader, okay, overhead and gantry crane, NC3, paver, NC2, rigid off highway dump truck, rigid on highway dump truck, road roller, okay, rough terrain crane, NC3, rough terrain crane, NC2, okay, screed, NC1, tower crane, NC3, tower crane, NC2, transit mixer, NC2, okay, truck mounted crane, NC2 and NC3, wheel loader, NC2, okay, meron ding hilot, ha? So meron ding hilot, NC2, horticulture, NC3, housekeeping, NC2. Ito sa mga gustong mag-apply ng domestic helper overseas, ito ang kailangan, housekeeping, NC2, NC3, NC4, okay. Sa palagi ko, NC2 okay na yun, pero kung makakuha kayo na hanggang NC4, the better, okay. Sa mga OFW na mga kasama nating OFW na domestic helper. Okay, ice plant refrigeration servicing, NC3, illustration, NC2, instrumentation and control servicing, NC2, NC3, NC4. Yan, maganda rin yan, ENI, malaki rin ang sweldohan yan sa oil and gas, E&I, instrumentation and control. Okay, jewelry making, NC3. Okay, laboratory and metrology or calibration services, NC2 and C3. Land-based transport refrigeration servicing, NC2. Landscape installation and maintenance, NC2. Lifeguard services, NC2 and C3. Okay, lighting for live performance, NC2. Line construction, so proceeded na to. Local guiding services, NC2. Machining, NC1. NC2 and C3. Okay. Marine electricity, masonry, NC1, NC2, NC3. Okay. Massage therapy, NC2. Mechatronic, meron pa mechanical drafting, NC1. Mechatronic servicing, NC2, NC3, NC4. Okay. Medical clothing and claims processing, NC3. Medical transcription, NC2. Metal stamping, NC2. Microfinance technology, NC2, NC4. Okay. Microinsurance services, NC2. Milking operation, NC2. Okay. Mold designing, NC4, NC3, NC2. Yan. Motorcycle, small engine servicing, NC2. Ito, maganda sa mga baryo-baryo, yung mga yung mga gustong maging mekaniko ng motorcycle. Yan. Multimodal transport operation and logistics, okay, NC2, NC3, and C4. On-highway dump truck, okay, so rigid. Ophthalmic lens servicing, NC2. Organic agriculture, NC2. Painting machine operation, NC2. Performing arts, okay, so meron din palang performing arts, dance, NC2. Tapos song, NC2. Tapos ballroom dancing, NC2. Pest management sa vegetable, NC2. Pharmacy services, okay, sa mga pwede nang maging pharmacist din pala, merong NC3. Photography, NC2. Okay. So sa mga mahilig dyan sa video, photography, yan, NC2. Photography, NC2. Pipe fitting, metallic, NC2. Ayan, maganda ring kurso yan para sa mga sa mga lalaking gustong maging oil and gas worker. Yan, medyo maayos din ang swelduhan dyan. Okay, plant maintenance, NC1. Plastic machine operation, NC3, NC2. Plumbing, okay. So sa mga tubero natin, ayan, kung wala pa kayong NC, ayan, kuha kayo ng plumbing, NC1, NC2, NC3. Okay, press machine operation, NC1. Pressurized irrigation system installation and maintenance, NC2. Process inspection, NC2, NC3. Programming, NC3. Net technology, okay. Programming Java, NC3. Programming Oracle database, NC3 sa mga computer na dyan, okay. Public employment services, NC4. Okay, so sa mga gustong magtrabaho sa munisipyo, sa peso. Okay, PB system design, NC3, NC3, okay, NC2, okay. Pyrotechnics, NC2. Meron din palang pyrotechnics, ref and air conditioning servicing, okay. So dome rack, NC2, okay. Rack servicing, Paco Core, okay. NC3 amended. Okay, rating forming part of navigational watch, okay, sa mga seaman natin, okay. NC2. Rating forming part of an engineering watch, okay, seaman din, NC2. Sa mga real estate natin, okay, meron din palang NC2. Reinforcing steelworks, NC2. Sa mga kwan natin, rebar steelman natin, yan, ito ang NC2 nyo. Okay. Rice machinery operation, NC2. Rigging NC1, yan, maganda rin yan na trabaho overseas, rigging, okay? So, kung meron kayo yan, maganda ring pasukang trabaho overseas, okay? Rubber processing, NC2, sanitary landfill, NC2 and C3, okay? Scaffolding works, NC2, okay? Supported type scaffold, seaweed production, NC2, security services, NC1, NC2, semiconductor back-end operation, NC2, tapos front of line operation, NC2, ships catering services, NC1, NC3, walang NC2 So, NC1 tsaka NC3. So, sa mga gustong mag cook sa ship, slaughtering operations sa large animals, NC2, slaughtering operations, swine, NC2. Alright, itong pinakasikat sa ngayon sa TESDA is mo NC1, is mo NC2, NC3, NC4. Okay? NC2, okay na yan. Ha? Pero kung gusto nyo NC3, NC4, the better. Okay? Pero okay na yan NC2. Structural erection, NC2. Submerged arc welding, NC1, NC2. Okay? Sugarcane production, NC2. System formwork installation, tailoring, technical drafting, NC2. Okay, telecom OSP and subscriber line installation, NC2, bago to. Okay, so meron tayong telecom OSP installation, bago rin, tile setting, NC2. Okay, sa mga tile setter natin dyan. So kung gusto mag NC2, ito yung kurso nyo. Tinsmithing, okay, tool die making, NC2. Tour packaging, okay, NC2. Tourism promotion services, so yung mga nasa tourism, ito yung kurso nyo. Okay? TR, transmission line installation and maintenance, ito, superseded na ito mga ito. Alright, so mga gustong magturo sa TESDA or TESDA accredited centers, itong kailangan nyo. Trainers Methodology Level 1, okay? Tapos yung in-company trainer, meron ding TM Level 2, okay? And so kung gusto yung magturo sa TESDA or sa TESDA Accredited Center, kailangan nyo ng TM1 or Trainers Methodology Level 1, okay? Transmission line installation and maintenance, NC2, NC3, and C4. Transport ref and aircon servicing, NC2. Travel services, NC2. Okay, visual graphic design, NC3. Warehousing, okay, so sa mga gusto mag warehouse man, merong warehousing NC2, warehousing services NC3, NC4. And lastly, meron ding web development, NC3. Alright, so ito po yung mga training regulation na nasa website ng TESDA. So more or less may mga kursong ganyan. Okay? So ang susunod naman nating hahanapin ay kung saan-saan na-offer ang mga ganitong kurso. So i-research natin siguro yung mga TESDA centers tsaka mga private centers na TESDA accredited from region 1 hanggang doon sa hulo. Titingnan natin, i-search natin kung paano. Okay, so hanggang sa muli po, ito muna ang pag-uusapan natin. So si Jun Jose po ito ng PWFS, ang current chairman. Okay, so bago po ako magpaalam ay sana'y huwag niyong kalimutan na mag-subscribe sa ating YouTube channel, PWFS TV. Okay, subscribe sa PWFS TV channel natin para sa mga bagong video natin. So, ang mga tinatalakay natin sa ating channel ay mga TESDA courses. So, ano yung mga nilalaman ng mga TESDA courses nato, yung mga NC1, NC2, NC3, NC4. Tapos, mga welding courses natin, okay? So, mga welding videos, how to do welding like this and like that. So, tsaka sa fitting, okay? So, ito po yung mga technical videos namin, okay? So, aside from TESDA, courses. So actually ang specific naman na mga video namin ay tungkol sa welding at saka tungkol sa NDT, tungkol sa welding inspection at tungkol sa pipe fitting, structural fitting. Alright. So, hanggang sa muli po, hanggang sa muli nating pagkikita. Ito po si Junose. Huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe sa PWFS TV. Thank you very much. Sana nakatulong ito sa inyo, lalo na sa mga high school graduate natin, sa mga college graduate natin na walang trabaho. This is yung alternative courses, okay? Kasi ngayon mga skilled na ang kailangan, okay? So kailangan ng NC2 bago ka makapag trabaho. Okay? Hanggang sa muli po, uulitin ko, Junose, current chairman ng PWFS Incorporated, nagpapaalam sa inyong muli hanggang sa susunod na video. Okay? Thank you very much. God bless you all.